If you're curious about YouTube TV and its free trial, here's everything you need to know. YouTube TV offers a 7-day free trial, allowing you to explore its live TV streaming service without any upfront cost. During this period, you'll get full access to its features, including live channels, on-demand content, cloud DVR storage, and the ability to stream on multiple devices simultaneously. To sign up, you'll need to provide payment details. This is how they charge you once the trial ends. If you cancel before the 7 days are up, you won't be billed. However, if you don't cancel, your subscription will automatically roll over into a paid plan at the standard monthly rate. It's a great way to test if YouTube TV fits your needs, but remember to keep track of the trial end date if you're not ready to commit. If this guide helped, drop a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching. Title: How to Check YouTube TV Free Trial Duration. If you've signed up for YouTube TV's free trial and want to check how much time is left, it's easy to do. First, log into your account on the YouTube TV website or app. Navigate to the Settings menu, usually found by clicking your profile picture, and select Subscriptions or Billing. Here, you'll see details about your current plan, including the start date of your free trial and when it will convert to a paid subscription. Alternatively, during sign-up, YouTube TV typically sends a confirmation email with the trial duration and end date. Check your inbox or spam folder for this email if you're unsure. Keeping track of your trial period ensures you can cancel before being charged if needed. If this tip helped, let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.